Good morning, students. I hope everybody is fine today. So, as you know, today is 13th of July, and today we are going to look at the next lesson plan. So, yesterday we could see about the lesson plan 1, and this is the teaching video of lesson plan 2, block 9, lesson plan 2, right? So, I hope you have enjoyed the previous video. I'd just like to recall your learning. So yesterday we could learn about uh, the reading calendar, right? So for the reading calendar, you have to look at about first the day, which day you want to find. Suppose if you want to find a children's day in the calendar, so first of things you should know children's day on which day, in which month it should fall. So you know that children's day falls in the month of November, so you have to find out in the year, so which month, November month you have to find out, and then after that you have to find out on which date it comes. So it comes on 14th, right? So you have to find out the date, 14th of November. It comes every year, right? And same way it is your birthday also. So your birthday comes once in a month or twice in a month or twice in a year. It comes only once in a year, right? And on a particular date in a particular month, right? Suppose if your birthday is on 13th of July, then how you will find out? So you have to go to the in calendar, you have to find out the month. Which month? July month. And then which date? July date you have to find out, right? So I believe and you could able to learn the previous lesson plan. Today we are going to see about the next lesson plan of block 9. Okay, so before I start this lesson plan, I would like to suggest you kindly keep ready your resources such as your content book, workbook volume 2, notebook, pencil and eraser, right? So for notebook, so your first notebook is submitted in your school. Please take out the second notebook. This is the keywords and you should know it. There are two keywords in this lesson plan, events and mark, right? So events means something that happen on particular day. Okay, it should be a date on a day, both, and you have to how to mark that events in particular month, right? We will learn it. The mark means a spot or a line or something that shows that you have marked. Okay, so let's move forward. So today's aim is you will be able to mark important events on a calendar in this lesson plan, right? So let's move. We are on block 9, lesson plan 2, marking events. So I hope you have read the topic, marking events. If it is not, please read it from here itself. Pause the video and read it. Okay, so this one and this one also, both you have to read, these two. Let's move forward. Can you see here what is written? Here are some important events and dates, right? Let me tell you what are the important events, like World Laughter Days. On which day it is observed? It is observed on the 10th of January every year. National Science Day, it is observed on the 28th of February every year. World Day for Water, 22 March. International Day for Yoga, 21 June. Teachers Day, it is observed on the 5th of September. And Children's Day on November 14th. Right? Let me ask you something. Have you celebrated any of these days? I hope you have celebrated. So what are some days that you would like to celebrate? Yeah, some special events or days that we all like to celebrate, right? What is that? Our birthday. Do you like to celebrate your birthday? I believe everybody like to celebrate their birthday, right? When your birthday comes near, so what you feel? You feel very excited for that particular day, and you imagine a lot of things in your mind, cakes and friends and some special dishes, new dress, like that you imagine, right? So we all celebrate this these special days, such as our birthday, our parents' birthday, Mother's Day. Also, we like to celebrate Father's Day and Children's Day and Teachers' Day. All these things we like to celebrate, and we are very excited to celebrate it. Let's move forward. So now we are going to do one exercise. I would like to suggest you kindly divide in a pair or make a pair from any of your family members, or if you have a friend or your cousin or your brother, so you can make a friend with them. After making a friend, so both you have to look at calendar. If you have the calendar, you can look at in that and discuss in pair. Write the answer to these questions in your notebook. What question? What are your favorite days of the year? Which is your favorite days? Teacher's Day or Father's Day, Mother's Day, Children's Day, right? Any of your days, favorite days. What happens on these days? So you have to write about what things happen on that day, okay? And when is your birthday? This is the next question. Third question, when is your birthday? You have to write. You have to find out from the calendar. When are your favorite festivals? Do you have a favorite festival? You might have your favorite festival, right? So when are your favorite festival? You have to write that. On which date, on which month, okay? So that things you have to write. So your time starts now. I hope everybody have done it. Now tell me, what special events or days have you written? Have you written or not? I hope you have written. So can you tell me what special events or days have you written? Okay. Then next, in which month do they occur? Means in which month it comes. What is the date? On which date it comes? In that particular month, on which date you celebrate or it comes? If you have found the date, then tell me, how did you mark them on the calendar? What are the process you have you find out to mark on the calendar? Okay, so I hope you have made this table like this and you have marked it. If it is not, then you can make it like this. So any of this special day you might have written, or it may be something else, right? I have written 4 important days or special days that comes in a year: Teachers Day, Independence Day, Republic Day, International Women's Day. Right? Teachers Day, it comes in the month of September on 5th September. I have written from the 2018 calendar, right? So Teachers Day in 2018 on 5th September, it was on Wednesday that day. And Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th of August. But in 2018, when it was celebrated, it was the Wednesday. Republic Day. It is celebrated in the month of January on 26th. And I have taken this date from the 26th Jan 2018. That day was Friday. International Women's Day. It is observed or celebrated on 8th of March. And in 2018 on 8th March there was a Friday. Okay, so the day which I have written here, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday. Suppose today is the teachers. In 2018, the Teachers' Day was on 5th September, but in 2021 also the Teachers' Day will be on the same day, same date, 5th September only. But the day may be changed. It may change the day. In that year it was on Wednesday. In the next year it will be on the Thursday or Friday or Tuesday. Right? Have you got the idea? Let me show you in the calendar. This is the 2018 calendar. Look at here. Teachers' Day was on 5th of September. Look at here, the 5th of September. 5th of September is falls on Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It was on Wednesday, right? But when you look at in the next calendar, it will be some other day. Next, what do we need to keep in mind to mark events on a calendar? Right. What are the process? First of things, we should look for the month given in the date. As example, here 14th 11 2018. Take care. This is the date, right? And so first thing you have to find out the month which is written in the between 14 and 2018. 11. So 11 is the month. So you have to find out on order wise on which month comes on 11th. So it is November month. The month is the 11th, which is November, right? So 11th month of the year is November. Then after finding the month, then we look for that days in the month of November. So we have to find out the date on 14th, and you have to mark it, right? You have to mark it. Right. Next, does everybody use the same kind of calendar? Do the dates and days change? What changes and what stays the same? Right. So different calendar on the based on different cultures. What are the different calendar? Hindu calendar, Islamic calendar, state calendar, English calendar, or Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar, English calendar, both are same. Gregorian calendar, each of the 12 months has 30 or 31 days, and months in the Hindu calendar have just 28 days. So even though both the Gregorian and Hindu calendar have 12 months, so their months differ in terms of when the month begin and the names given to them, right? I'll tell you. So suppose the month in the English calendar, so month begin from the January, but if you look at the Hindu calendar, it month begin from the April, means their month's name is different. Hindu calendar, it starts from Chatra. Okay, Chatra comes in between March and April, right? So the both types of calendar they divide a year into months, and both have dates. Let me show you something. This is the Hindu calendar, right? Hindu calendar of 2021. So in Hindu calendar, so if you look at the months, there are 12 months and their names is different. First month is Chaitra, second month is Vaishak, third month is Jesht, fourth month is Ashad, fifth month is Shravan, sixth month is Bhadrapad, seventh month is Ashwin, eighth month is Kartik, ninth month is Margshir, and 10th month is Paush, and 11th month is Magh, 12th month is Falgun. So these are the names of the Hindu months, Hindu calendar months, right? This is the Islamic calendar, and this is the name of the months in Islamic calendar: Muharram, Safar, Rabi al-Awwal, Rabi al-Thani, Jumad al-Awwal, Jumad al-Thani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Dhul-Qa'dah, Dhul-Hijjah. These are the name of the months in Islamic calendar, right? And this is the state calendar. State calendars, it's same as the Gregorian calendar, but here why it is known as the state calendar, because it shows the state's holidays, right? Every state have different holidays, so the different calendar they have. I hope you have understood. So remember that, so there are different types of calendar, as we see: Hindu calendar, Islamic calendar, state calendar, and English calendar. So these calendars made different days, have different days in a year and other differences. For example, in the Gregorian calendar, each of the 12 months has 30 or 31 days, while the months in the Hindu calendar have just 28 days. Even though both the Gregorian and Hindu calendar have 12 months. This is the similarity. Both the calendar have 12 months. The Hindu calendar, there are months, their months differ in terms of when the months begin. Okay, so इनके month में थोड़ा different होता है, and it depends upon the how they begin, right? In the Gregorian calendar or English calendar, the month begin from the January, but in Hindu calendar the month begin from the Chaitra, and Chaitra comes in between March and April, right? So one thing that is same about the both types of calendar is that they divide a year into 12 months. Got it? Or both calendar, or all three types of calendar: Islamic calendar, Hindu calendar, and English calendar. In each calendar, the year divided into 12 months, and both the months have dates. Got it? I hope you have believed, you have got the end. Okay. Now time for the bonus question. Please note down the bonus question. When do we celebrate our Independence Day? When do we celebrate our Independence Day? Right? This is your workbook. Just look at carefully, and you have to do here. You have to write about what day is it on 14th November. You have to find the day. Day means, you know, na, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever. Okay, so on 14th November, what day was, or what day is written here? Which day is? How many Fridays are there in this month? Means in the month of November, how many Fridays are there? Right? Question number 2. Mark the events by by circling them on the following months on the calendar. Okay, March 22, World Day for Water. So you have to circle in March 22. Okay, 22 is the date, you have circle in the month of March, which is observed as World Day for Water. B. October 2nd, which is a Gandhi Jayanti. So you have to mark October 2nd. You have to go to the October calendar and you have to mark. Third is September 5th, Teachers' Day. You have to mark it. Right? And third, write one similarity and one difference between the English calendar given above and the Hindu calendar given below. Okay, you have to write one similarity and one difference. Now you have to read the topic also again, this topic, and you have to after reading the topic you have to do your workbook volume 2 S2 block 9 S2. You have to complete it right now, and you have to do the practice question 3 and 4 in your notebook. Right. Now time to say thank you. This lesson plan is over. Thank you very much. Okay. God bless.